First thing I'm going to do here is read the activity 2.1 mouse interface. Use the mouse to change the zoom, orientation, as well as panning, which means to move the model. How are we going to do that? First thing we're going to do is rotate. And how are we going to rotate? We're going to click the center mouse button and keep it held. And we're moving back and forth. Let's just get my camera over there. Okay. Holding the center mouse button, moving it, and what's happening? My thing's moving around. Okay, that's what we're after at this point. All right, that's part number one. Now we want to zoom. How do we zoom? We scroll the mouse scroll wheel to zoom where the mouse cursor is located. So I'm pointing now here at the middle. If I go in and out, scroll in, scroll out, scroll in, scroll out, that's going to just let me zoom in and out. Now if I'm pointed off to something on the edge, it's going to zoom into where my mouse cursor is. And if I've lost my part like this, what do I want to do? I want to see press F on your keyboard to recenter the part. That's what we're reading right in this area. Okay, press F on the keyboard and I do that. My part's back, it's not lost anymore, so we're in good shape there. Now I want to see what happens when we're going to pan. When we want to pan, we have got to hold down the control button. Okay, so control button, and then center mouse moves from side to side. So what can we do? Center mouse rotates. Scroll in and out on the scroll wheel gets us to zoom wherever the cursor is pointing. Okay, we can zoom way in there. Or we can hold control and the center mouse button and move back and forth. That's first piece of navigation. That's activity 2.1. Time for us to go on to activity 2.2.